Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. And today we're at Westworld in Scottsdale, and somebody's got their horn beeping there. But yeah, we got an RV show. We're gonna look at some RVs. It's 111 degrees out here right now, so we're gonna go inside and look at the RVs.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Oh yeah, I could see doing this one. Oh yeah. Steps up. Good cross ventilation with these windows here.
This is one that has the two single beds.
Well, if you can make it
Oh, that's true. You can.
You can make it one big bed. Looks like it'd probably be a king too, king size. What's in there? It's a wet bath.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a skinny refrigerator.
Which way is it open?
Oh,
There we go.
that's really skinny.
But hey, it's a good size.
You said this is a wet bath? Yeah, if you guys that don't know, a wet bath, this is your shower. Along with, there's a toilet, of course, but this is your shower.
Everything gets wet.
Everything's wet in there. So let's get in the air conditioning. TV up there. Desk for the computer. What's the price on this thing?
$179,000.
Oh, only $179,000.
It's a Winnebago, so I figured it would be nice.
Winnebago, all-wheel drive.
It was on a Mercedes chassis.
Yeah, those will get you in the back country. Let's go see what's got in here. Oh, boy, that's cold. 111 degrees out here in Scottsdale. These are cool looking. Mercedes chassis. They still Winnebagos? This.
Overlanders.
Huh?
This is an Overlander.
Overlander.
This story.
Storyteller. Overland. Oh yeah, big garage. One of those collapsible ladders. Condor. Mm-hmm.
You can hang stuff off of it?
Yeah, I guess so. I think. Okay, this is based on the Transit Man. Okay, yeah, this. I like this. It's just like the one outside, except.
So it's a class. Oh, the other one was a class series. It was a van, was it?
The first one we walked in.
Yeah, the seating was a little different up here in the front.
Yeah, but the bed's the same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Refrigerator and.
This is the size that I could. Yep. Yep. That a wet bath, I suppose?
Yeah, I like the shower curtain they have here is a little different, not just a typical shower curtain. It's kind of retracts.
Oh yeah. Okay, so here you guys. That one outside, I guess apparently you use the. Goes my gimbal. My gimbal battery must be getting low. I guess if the camera goes wacko, then.
See in the shower curtain, just can you pull it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, cool. Well, we visited the Prowler today at storage. He said to tell everybody hello. Yeah, the batteries went dead, so I grabbed the two batteries off there, and I'm gonna get those charged up. Hopefully they're not too far gone. So we got to get the Prowler back on the road too. Oh, we're getting better. Getting better. I doubt if these mattresses are terribly comfortable.
No mistake can relate. We spent summers touching
So you have a sofa, bed folds down. There's a table here that folds up. Storage on the floor.
Yep. Storage in here.
Storage here.
Wet bath, I'm sure.
Outside shower too.
Was it?
Yeah. It folds. Folding door.
Well, it's not full. There was it. Yeah, well,
Magnet on the bottom.
won't mess with it then. Winnebago. A little too cramped for two of us.
You think it's too cramped?
I think it'd be too cramped for two of us. That first one we were in outside, I think that's about as small as we should go.
Biggest bucks too.
Yeah. Get a used one. Oh, I missed the. I missed the.
Extra sleeping.
Missed the pop-up. Okay, you guys tell me what's in there. I can't see.
How you two doing?
Fine, thank you.
You guys YouTubers?
Yes.
yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Our Simple Adventures.
Really?
Yeah. Well, there you
Write
go.
that down, I'll
Say
check it
hello.
Huh?
Say hello to our person.
Oh, hello there. Hi. Come on down.
Yeah. It's only 111 out.
Make some more of your adventures simple. Simple adventures, huh?
Our Simple Adventures.
Our simple adventures?
Yeah. Any other YouTubers been in here?
We get them from time to time. Yeah. How many are you guys monetized yet?
Oh, yeah. We're almost 5,100 subscribers.
Oh wow. So you've been
5,100.
doing it quite a while then.
Yeah, man. 3-4 years.
Well, I'm wanting to do that on my end because I have I'll show you. This is what I'm running. So if you look real close, you'll
Okay.
see
Get my glasses on here.
a motorcycle on the front,
Yeah.
truck, the fifth wheel, and then the boat.
Holy cow.
If there's a fish out there, I'll find him.
The setup like that, yeah, you're gonna go anywhere.
Our simple adventures.
Our Simple Adventures.
Yeah, I'll take a
Pull
look
up
at it.
YouTube. It'll pop up.
I will. Okay, guys, well, have fun looking around. We appreciate you coming in.
All right. Yeah. It is a long one. Microwave, yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this bed. Yeah, the front seats swivel. Or at least this one, the passenger does.
So here's the bathroom in the back.
Wet bath in the back.
Which is, yeah, you have the privacy, keep the doors closed, or if you're somewhere, you can probably take that and do an outside shower.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, there's a hose over here, a shower over here. It looks like.
Not real.
So the bed slides across, and yeah, the two little.
Probably put these.
Not that one, the one behind you, probably. Yeah.
This is the only table, the desk or whatever. I bet you something opens up in front though.
No, look at that to your right.
It's a Dodge platform.
To your right, there's that wood thing there. That's a little table, I think. If the top flips up, that table comes out.
Oh yeah. Cool. Just for this chair, probably.
Yeah, it's for that chair.
All right, let's keep rolling here. Wonder if we can cut through. Lisa twisted her knee. A few days ago?
Yeah.
So she got it. My old knee brace on there.
Big fan.
Yeah. Too small for us.
Looking for something a little bigger.
Well, we're not shopping. We've got a good sized travel trailer now, but at some point we're gonna downsize.
I hear you.
Yeah.
There's a lot of options with these Class Bs.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure you know.
Yeah. More and more every year it seems like.
Oh yeah. It's I think it's the direction that a lot of RVers are going. You can just get into smaller spots, parking spots in
Yeah.
town, out of town, get off road. all
Seeing
that
more
stuff.
and more.
Yep.
Yeah. So a lot of people working from home, so it opens
Yeah.
a lot of opportunity. But
Yep. Yep.
I'll let you guys keep looking.
All right. Cool.
Y'all enjoy, right?
Yeah. You too.
Don't walk around.
Hello.
Hello?
What are you guys doing?
Not doing nothing. What are you doing?
Well, we're walking through it. We're in an RV show in Scottsdale.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, we're filming. Yeah, filming some RVs. Kind of contemporary looking. It's not off-road though. All right, this one's got the outdoor entertainment center. I'm guessing you put no outlet. I thought maybe you could put a dorm fridge in there. Almost a residential size fridge. It is residential, small residential. Okay. Okay, this is a Murphy bed. Got the mattress on the other side there, so that's going to come down. And this will fold. Okay, there's a regular shower. Not a wet bath. Your toilet's right here. Lots of counter space. Lisa would like that. I like it, but we don't need this much. I like it, but we don't need that much room. Yeah, I'd like this one. Yep. Nice table there.
$22.
Yeah, this style is my favorite today.
I don't like the pop-ups. I like this one.
Right. Now look at that. $109,000 for that Class A. Wow. As compared to $200,000 for these.
Class B at 178.
Gee whiz.
That's an outside kitchen.
Yep. Outdoor kitchen. Entertainment center. Microwave outside too.
Oh wow. 29 feet.
So that's shorter than the Prowler. Or no, same.
Insane.
Yeah.
Truck on.
Oh yeah, you can be comfortable. Ooh.
Ouch.
We just don't need something this big.
No.
I mean, we lived in the Prowler for 3 years,
Yeah.
so we know what we need.
Yeah. And since we're not going to be living in it full time, we don't need all the space,
No.
which we did before.
Yeah. How's your knee doing?
It hurts. It really hurts.
Well, do we need to wrap it up? Let's just peek around the corner here. I'll see if there's anything interesting to film. Okay, what is this? $265,000. Byway. Haven't heard of a byway. I guess we haven't really been looking lately. based on a Freightliner. Oh, it's a Tiffin. Tiffin. There we go. We got the theater seats across from the TV. Oh, this is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Another TV back here. Oh, slide. Duh. Oh, washer and dryer. I thought it meant the slide in the wall was going to be there somewhere. I don't know. Silly me. Big residential fridge. Oh, we got the keys. You got the keys to it. I think I can finagle it out of here. It is, and that's a foot smaller, or half a foot smaller than a Prowler. That's a big travel trailer. They make these stinking things so nice anymore. They have for a few years. Fireplace. We love the electric fireplace in the Prowler. Oh, got a beer fridge. Okay, guys. Now we looked at quite a few RVs there.
Yeah, hey, there's some nice ones. Some ones I liked.
Yeah, and this one right here.
Especially
this style right here is
yeah.
my favorite.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
I think that has to rank up there.
I think we
just definitely realized I don't want the real big roomy ones anymore.
Yeah.
It was important to me at one time, but not anymore. Now that we've lived in it, just don't need it.
Yeah. Anyway, Lisa's knees getting sore, and we've seen just about every
All the different styles.
Yeah. Okay, love you guys. Hit that notification bell. Hope you're enjoying our Throwback Thursdays, and subscribe. All that good stuff. All right, we'll see you
And our next adventure.
next time.
Okay.
Soon. Bye.
Bye.